Are you promoting your digital agency or your small business on Instagram? Right now, you can get noticed much faster by your dream clients by posting engaging reels. And if you don't know what to post, you are absolutely in the right place. In this video, I will share with you easy to apply reels ideas for business so that you can benefit from the favor Instagram's algorithm is showing to reels users right now. These ideas are going to help you get the most of reels so that you can attract more of your dream clients to your Instagram channel. Because when you post reels right now, you will get more followers and more engagement. Hi, this is Nicole from Wunderstars. I'm a marketing coach for digital agency owners. On my channel, I share social media hacks and marketing tips for time-poor agency founders. Subscribe now and press the bell to never ever miss a new episode. Now let's go. Here are some easy reels ideas that your audience will love. A little later in the video, I will also share with you 5 hacks which will make reels production so much easier, and I will show you where you can get even some more inspiration. 1. This is a super easy idea. Showcase 3 books which have recently inspired you. Simply film them, add some catchy music and captions, and you have a great reel to share with your audience. Tell me in the comments, is this a reel you would be happy to try out? 2. Now this requires a little bit more planning, but the rewards make it totally worthwhile. Simply show off a project you are currently working on. For example, if you have created a new website or a new brand for a client, create a few video clips with the evolving logo designs, a sneak preview of the new brand guidelines, or simply a video from you talking to the client and showcasing the new project. People love sneak previews like this on Reels. 3. Take a video on your phone. Yes! That is all you need, yourself and some flattering daylight. Introduce your workspace, add some uplifting music and fun caption to give it some oomph. You know, it might be worth to briefly tidy up your office space though. 4. What questions do you usually get from your dream clients? Can you create a simple listicle to answer them in a reel? You might even be able to use one of your existing blogs. Double win! Here's what I'm talking about. 3 SEO tips, 3 mistakes to avoid when you're working on a website project, 3 best apps to use to create social media graphics, 3 design trends for homepages, and 3 SEO hacks for e-commerce sites. Film yourself talking to the camera, add some GIFs and value-adding captions, and you got yourself another brilliant reel your audience will simply love. 5. Let your audience get to know you. Show where you hang out for lunch with a catchy tune, show your favorite weekend activity, or talk about your why. Introduce your team too if you got one. Show their personality, celebrate their birthdays, and show what they like doing in their spare time. 6. Pick some social media awareness days that suit your interests and create a reel to promote it and to tap into this trend. Here are 3 ideas you can use and also involve your team members to make them happen. 10th of January, Houseplant Appreciation Day. 9th of February, National Pizza Day. 4th of May, Star Wars Day. 7. The Gram audience absolutely adores inspiration. So create a reel showcasing quotes or things you do that keep you motivated. What podcasts do you listen to? What do you do when you need to get your creative juices flowing? 8. Showcase the benefits of your products or service in an entertaining reel story. Yes, it's good enough for you to be in the starring role of this. No one is expecting Hollywood-style productions when it comes to reels, so go on, give it a go. For example, having a website maintenance plan with your agency means that your clients never have to worry or lose sleep when their website goes down, because you will simply fix it for them. So, could you tell this in an entertaining story? Show someone going from looking really frustrated and worried to feeling relaxed again because your agency will take care of it. I think you can do it. 9. Promote your most popular lead magnets with a dedicated reel. Show off what your prospects will be getting, add a link to the lead magnet in the captions, and also tell people on the reels that they should go and get it and download it. 10. Create some snackable client success stories. What challenges did they face? What results did you achieve for them? What transformation did they see? Add some client testimonial snippets. Showcase this with you talking to the camera and adding captions to the video. This is going to be really popular. I promised you to show you where to get some additional inspiration. Well, the easiest is to check out what other creators are doing on TikTok, if you can bear to go on there, and watch the most popular reels on Instagram. Figure out what styles are trending and save the ones you might want to copy for your own business. And here are also 2 great accounts I like to check out, and you will find the links in the comments. As promised, here are 5 quick Reels production hacks. 1. Plan a catchy hook for the captions with a call to action and write it all up in either Notes or a Google document, which you can simply copy and paste when you're ready to post. Make sure your captions add real value, and don't forget to add the 30 hashtags for that all-important reach. 2. Prepare a branded cover photo that looks great in your feed. This can be produced in Canva or simply go into Stories and create it in there. 3. Consider batch filming your videos. Create the ideas, create the scripts, captions, and film everything in one day. This will save you time and make you much better very quickly. 4. Post your reels when your audience is most active for maximum reach and engagement. 5. Finally check what reels are most successful for you and other creators and create more of the same. I hope you liked this video. Make my day by sharing it and commenting on it. See you on the next video, and be sure to check out the Wunderbar Marketing Efficiency Show playlist shown on the screen. Auf Wiedersehen!